So number 6, here given number 6, a village having a population of 4,000 equals 150 liters of water per head per day. It has tank measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? So in that village, total number of population is 4,000, per head is required 150 liters of water, means per person per day. Then we will find that amount of water required per day of 4,000 peoples or population. That we will get it. Here given one tank, that all the dimension is given, we will find the volume, and then we will find that if that tank is filled up by water completely, then that water how many days can use by that 4,000 population. Okay, then we will find that number of days. So then we will first that we have volume of water required per day of that 4,000 population, means 4,000 multiplied by 150, so that's 60 and then 4 zeros. Okay, it is in liter. Since other unit is in meter, so this liter we can convert to meter cube. Then we will divide by 1000. So it is clear that 600 meter cube. Dividing by 1000, it is 600 meter cube. Then we will find the volume of water. Volume of water in the tank. Okay, volume of water in the tank is, the dimensions are given, just we multiply by 20 into 15 into 6. Okay, so 1800 meter cube. So you see that volume of water in the tank is 1800 meter cube, and per day the water is required the 600 meter cube. So easily can find the number of days. So therefore number of days. So number of days 1800 divided by 600. That is 3 days. Okay, if one time that tank is filled by water, then it lasts for 3 days. Here given that how many days will last, and it is clear that 3 days is last. So this is the answer. Okay, we got that volume of water used by that 4,000 people per day, and then we got that the volume of water in the tank, and then we got the number of days. So it's finished. Then number 7. Here number 7 is given that a godown measures 40 meter by 25 meter by 10 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter by 1.25 meter by 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the godown. Suppose this is the godown and this is suppose the wooden crate. Okay, if it is godown and it is that wooden crate, then how many like that wooden crates can keep in this godown? Okay, then it is very easy, that volume of the godown divided by volume of one wooden crate. So we will get the number of wooden crates. Is it clear? Means number of wooden crates is equal to the volume of godown divided by volume of one wooden crates. So we will get that number of wooden crates. So directly that we can write it. So here, since all the dimensions are given of that godown and wooden crates, so we can find that number is directly. So here question number 7. We have number of wooden crates. Okay. So number of wooden crates, that you can write the volume of godown and divided by volume of one crate. So then it is the volume of godown. Here the dimension of the godown is given that 40 into then 25 into 10 divide by the dimension of the wooden crate is given 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. So this will simplify easily. The next time, that's 40 into 25 into 10. Here if we reduce the decimal, 110 will come. Here if we reduce the decimal, 100 will come. And here reduce the decimal, 10. And divide by so divide by 15 into 1 to 5 into 5. So now we will simplify. Okay, we will simplify that by 25 we can cancel, it is 5. Okay, then by 5 is cancelled 2. Then by 5 is cancelled, it is 2. By 5 it is cancelled, it is 3. By 5 it is cancelled, it is 8. Okay, so then so whatever the terms is left, then we have to multiply it. Okay, divide by 3. Then it is 1,000, 4,000, then 32,000 divide by 3. Okay, here 1,000, then it is 4. 4,000 into 8, 32. Then here divide 1, then 4. So it is 1, then 0, then 6. Okay, then 6, then 6.6. So 1066.6. Since it is number of wooden cards cannot be in decimal, so it is approximately we can write that 10667. Okay, this is the answer. Since it is number, it cannot be in the decimal. So that it is approximately, since it is after decimal 6, so that this digit can increase by 1. So the number of wooden cards is 10667. Okay, so this is the answer. So this number 7 is finished. The number 8. Question number 8 here given that a solid cube of size 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes. What will be the size of the new cube? Also find the ratio between the surface areas. So a cube is given whose size is 12. Then that volume we have